I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and we've got really good news this evening because Plaid Cymru voted against the e-cigarette law, so people will still be able to vape as they wish. I'm in a pub this evening and I'm with Jonathan Swan, who does vape. So what do you think of the law, Jonathan? The fact that Plaid Cymru voted against and we stopped the ban. What do you think of that?
I think it's a really good idea because I've been using this thing for about 34 days now and I haven't had a cigarette. And I mean, if you use it wisely and drop down the nicotine like you're supposed to, then you can't get off cigarettes, thankfully, which I am.
So what you're saying is that you smoke less now, you're vaping.
I don't smoke nothing.
Right. How do you feel chest-wise? You feel more healthy?
Much better. I can taste food better. I'm not. When I give up smoking, tried giving up smoking before, without the vape, I was constantly eating and putting on weight, and obviously I didn't give up. I failed quite easily, and with this thing, I'm just going normal, and I haven't smoked.
Great. Okay, so that's from the horse's mouth. Jonathan vapes, and it's the same with everybody who I know. It really helps them to be more healthy, to get off cigarettes, and I'm really glad that the Party of Wales, Plaid Cymru, stopped probably the most stupid Labour law over the last 5 years going through tonight. So well done, the Plaid Cymru group in the Assembly. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.